All right, you guys, it is good to be back and finally uploading again. This has been a crazy time in my life, and I can't believe how much you guys have been supporting the channel, subscribing, watching all the videos, sharing everything. I get a thing every month from YouTube showing me what you guys are sharing and commenting and liking on, and you guys are amazing. You guys have been blowing the channel up, and it has been something else. So I figured I'd just give you guys a little heads up on what's all been going on in our lives and why Sierra and I have been kind of gone and absent, haven't really been uploading, no truck stuff like that. And kind of give you guys a heads up at what's been going on with our life for the past year and a half in the process of trying to get this house. For the past year and a half, you guys, I've been living in a travel trailer on the side of my parents' house. It was super sketchy to live in. First off, it was absolutely not level. I mean, side to side, we were probably a foot off. And so our bed was on the low side. So when you'd sleep, your feet were above your head. It was just this whole nightmare trying to walk around in there. We didn't have plumbing hooked up. So to go to the bathroom, even in the middle of the night, you'd have to leave the trailer, go into my parents' house, use the bathroom, and come back out. Not the easiest living situation that you could be in. But that's something we agreed to a year and a half ago when we decided to get rid of the apartment we lived in. It just was getting to be too much money to try to get into a house at the time. And it actually all ended up working out. Now we have a beautiful place of our own that, let me tell you what, has been quite the project. These walls were not always gray. They were actually a awful purple pink. And I'll show you guys that color because it's still in our bathroom. Pretty bad. And here's that color I was talking about, the purple pink that the entire house was. But you guys, being in this house is something else. It is such a good feeling. And knowing that I can do anything I want to the garage, I can hang lights, which I'm gonna do because I need better visuals in there. I'm gonna do like a nice big mural for my logo. I'll be shipping everything out of there for Power Stoke when I eventually open up a merch store again. There's just so many good things that can happen out of this house. And I'm very excited to share it with you guys. And honestly, a big chunk of it is owed to you guys. Because of you guys with, you know, ordering KC turbos through my link, watching the videos, all sorts of stuff like that, I was able to go and afford this house, down payment, furniture, because we sold absolutely everything when we moved into that trailer, and we had to start completely fresh in this house. So that's why there hasn't really been any uploads on the channel or anything like that. No updates with the truck, just because I haven't had the money to actually go and buy anything or do anything with the truck. And I figured you guys would want content on the truck. You guys want to see any sort of upload from me. You guys want to know what's going on, and I really appreciate that. I mean, you guys, I get comments all the time and people contact me saying, I miss your uploads. I miss just seeing you on the camera and stuff like that. And you guys, that warms my heart, and I really do thank you for everything that you guys have done for me. Again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys sticking around. I appreciate you guys doing everything you can to support me, even while I'm gone. You guys have been just absolutely a blessing in my life, and I can't thank you enough. So let's go ahead and carry on and let's do a house tour. All right, and since we're outside in the heat already, I figured I'd just show you the truck now. Nothing has really been done to it other than I put some LED taillights on the truck, which I think matches the purple a lot better. Originally, those 6.7 taillights were on the white truck and I thought they looked really good, but with this purple and having those red taillights, they clashed, and I figured putting some black LEDs classed it up a little bit. So moving on to the front door, the blue is definitely not the color that we chose, but here we go. Getting greeted by the dog as always. That's one of our dogs. This is Remington. I don't know if you guys have actually seen her on video before, but that is one of our dogs. Turn on the light here. So this is our nice little entryway that we have. We have a bench here so you can put your shoes on and take them off on the nice tile entry. We hang up our keys here, which is super nice. And then right off the front door is the garage. So here's the garage. It is super messy right now and full of stuff because, oh God, where's the light? It is super messy right now and full of furniture and everything. We're still kind of figuring out where everything's gonna go. We're still unpacking. We got shelves that we're gonna install, stuff like that, but we already got I got a couple signs hung up. I got my speed limit sign, my American flag, and then we got the toolbox that was on the truck, then my topside creeper, and just a diesel can because I have run myself low enough that I need to go get diesel. So back into the house, we come back into this entryway here. And if you walk over here on the left, we've got two different bedrooms. So this first room here is currently the dog room. It eventually is going to be our little home theater. My dad does that stuff, and we've come up with a plan, and I'm excited to get that done and show you guys that once it's all done. That is Sarge the St. Bernard, our other dog. And you come around the corner here, and here is one of the guest rooms. These two rooms still need to be painted. We have absolutely done nothing. We've set up an air mattress in here for when people come stay the night, and that's about it. And then for both of these bedrooms, we have this nice little bathroom here. Just a nice little guest bath. And then if you come around the corner here, you go down this hallway into the living room. And again, I'm gonna apologize for the camping stuff all out. We had a birthday party yesterday here for me, my 25th birthday. But anyways, here is the laundry room. It's super nice to actually have a laundry room where I can just throw all my crap on the floor and deal with the litter and nobody has to look at it. And then carrying on, you come through the living room, into our nice dining room, and then into our beautiful kitchen. It's We really like the actual wood cabinets and having the stone countertops. That's super, super nice. Okay, carrying on to the backyard. This is my favorite part. We have our nice little outdoor seating area. A couple camp chairs out for yesterday because we barbecued. A nice cantilever umbrella to cover that, keep it all shaded. And we got lights strung up so we can have nice little nighttime barbecues and have some nice ambience. And with all that, you guys, that completes the house tour. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for sharing this experience with me and helping me get here. This has been absolutely amazing. I'm excited for this next chapter to keep growing the channel and see where we end up, see what amazing things we can actually do. And it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I can't wait for you guys to be a part of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below. I always comment back. If you guys want to directly support the channel, use the link down below to purchase something off kcturbos.com. I get a small cut, and it's a way you can directly support the channel. So thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.